everyone! Today I wanted to show you how to access and use our Kahoot lessons. So first you want to go to the Move and Learn at Home document, and you can see that the Kahoot lessons are listed out. So for example, you can scroll down here, you see Kahoot, Recycle, Reduce, and Reuse. And then looking down here, we have some Kahoot Census, Kahoot Exercise, and Add Decimals. So those are listed out by name and skill. So once you find the lesson you want to do, you're going to click on it and then open the link. So we have two styles of Kahoot lessons that we're going to talk about. So I'll show you both. So the link's going to actually take you right to the Kahoot game, and it's going to ask for a name. So you can enter whatever kind of name you want. So I'm going to enter M for me, and then you click OK, go. Here we are, and it's going to start the game for us. So it says no need to answer this time because you're going to have some kind of direction, some kind of video, something here is going to pop up. So it says watch the video to help you answer the following questions about the census. So your child will watch the video. Once that's done, you click got it. And it's going to take you on to our question. So the question is, what is a census? And then there's going to have 4 answers that are going to pop up. It includes the question up here again in case you forget. And you have to say, okay, which one is it? Oh, this one. So you click on it, tells you you're correct. If you're incorrect, it'll tell you. Click next. It tells you where you are in the leaderboard with all the people that have played. Click next. And this one, once again, no need to answer this time. So some kind of exercise is going to pop up. So we're going to jog in place for 10 seconds, and there will be an example of the exercise. So this is where your child will complete the exercise. Once they're done, click got it. And it'll take you to the next question. So this goes on back and forth where they answer a question, they do the exercise. It's fun because you get points, starts adding, oh, I'm moving up in the leaderboard, then we'll have an exercise. So you guys can kind of see how this works. You can do this on your iPad, you can do this on your phone, on your TV, on the computer, wherever you're using your technology. So that's the first kind of example we have for a Kahoot game. The next one is going to be it's going to be our science one, or multiplication. So this one right here, multiply and move, I'm going to show you this one because it's a little bit different. Once again, click on it, it opens up the game. It's going to ask you for your name. This time I'm going to be M again. Okay, go. And then once again, we're going to have some kind of directions or video slide that's going to pop up so we know what to do. All right, no need to answer this time because I know it's some kind of slide. So it tells us the directions are a multiplication fact will come up, look for the answer, and do the exercise listed with it. Once you completed the exercise, click the answer. Got it? Here's our first question. So this time we're answering 4 times 5. Now, each answer choice has an exercise. So 5 jumping jacks, 5 squats, 5 arm circles, 5 jumps. And there's a timer on this one. So your child needs to figure out what 4 times 5 is. They need to do the exercise that goes with that answer and then click on it. So I'm thinking 4 times 5 is 20. 20. That's 5 squats. So I do 5 squats. Then I click on it. Tells me I'm right. And we can go to the next question. Once again, the scoreboard's there. And this one, same thing over and over again. So we have 3 times 8, 24. I got to do my arm circles first. Once I'm done with my arm circles, click it and go. So the faster you can answer it and do the exercises, the more points you get, the higher you'll get on the scoreboard. All right, so that's it for our Kahoot lessons. Hope you like them. If you have questions, always feel free to reach out to us. And I hope that they are fun for you and your family to play. Thanks.
Thanks for moving and learning with us. Don't forget to like this video and follow us for more resources. You can find us on Facebook, on Twitter and Instagram, on our website, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.